Hello, good morning. Listen, today I am again on the farm. What is it? It's a tractor. Yes, I am on the farm. This is a farm. Listen, the birds are flying. Yes, and we can hear some animals. So we have to say hello. I have got a friend today. Sunflower is on the farm and she will help me to sing hello song. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you?
Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
How are you today?
I am fine. I am great. I am fine.
I
I'm just
am great.
I am fine. I am great. I'm very well today. Great. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today?
I hope you are very fine, very well, because we are on the farm and we have got a lot of fun today with some animals. Yes, look who is coming. Ooh, meow, meow, meow. There is a cat. So this is a cat. This is a cat. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. This cat is orange. This cat is orange. He says meow meow. Now another animal. What is it? What is it? It's a quack 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 duck. Yes, mommy duck and the duckling. Mommy duck and the duckling. Mommy duck and the duckling. Hello, duckling. Hello. So, we can see sometimes also duck and the duckling on the farm. Yes. And now somebody says, who is on the farm? Ooh, there is a big cow. Big cow, big cow. She's brown, yes? Moo, moo, what a lovely cow. Very nice. We can see also a rabbit. Do you remember? Rabbit. This is the rabbit with the very long 2 ears, yes? Alright. And now, listen, listen. Woof, 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 woof. Who is coming? Woof, woof, woof. Ooh, this is the dog and the puppy. The dog and the puppy. Little dog, it's a puppy. And I must tell you that one day something happened to me. I had a jar and there was a cookie. So this is the cookie in the jar. Cookie. This is the cookie and this is the jar. Yes, and I put the cookie into the jar. Yes, and I went to bed. I went to sleep. I was sleeping and sleeping and sleeping and sleeping. Yes. And when I open my eyes, I look. Oh no, the jar is empty. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Where is my cookie? I don't know. Where is my cookie? I don't know. All right. So Perhaps the dog took a cookie from the cookie jar. The dog. No, it's not me. Not you? Then who? Maybe the pig took the cookie. Yum, 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 yum. She took the cookie from the cookie jar. No, not me. Not you? Then who? Maybe the cat. Meow, meow. Took the cookie from the cookie jar. Where is my cookie? Meow, meow. Not me. Not you? Then who? Maybe the cow. Maybe the cow took a cookie, yum yum, from the cookie jar. Not me. Not you? Then who? I don't know. So, who took a cookie from the cookie jar? Not me. Not you? Then who? And now we can have again the cookie. So, for a moment you will listen to the song about cookie and the cookie jar. Who took a cookie from the cookie jar? Cow took a cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? Who took a cookie from the cookie jar? Pig took a cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? And again, no cookies. So, who took a cookie from the cookie jar? Maybe duck took a cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? And again, cookie disappeared. Who took a cookie from the cookie jar? Maybe chicken. Nom, 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 nom. Chicken took a cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Not me. Then who? So this poem is so funny. This chant or song we can sing along together for a moment, yes? I like this song very much. Being on the farm is a great time. Great. And now it's time for the book. So this is the puppy. Puppy and a little baby dog. Mommy, yes, and baby puppy. Bravo. This is the rooster. This is the rooster. Cuckoo, cockle-doodle-doo, rooster. These are chicks. These are chicks. These are chicks. This is the goat. This is the goat. This is the goat. And here we can see the duck. This is the duck. This is the duck. This is the lion. Lion on the farm? No. The lion is from the zoo. The lion is from the zoo. He shouldn't be on the farm. What a funny book. Next animal. The rabbit. Yes, the rabbit is from the farm. The rabbit is from the farm. Hop, hop, hop. And this is the goose. Gang, 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 gang. Yes, the goose is also from the farm. And the monkey. No. The monkey is from the zoo. The monkey is from the zoo. And this is the turkey. This is the turkey. Gobble, 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 gobble. Turkey is also from the farm. And this is the pig. Wink, wink, wink. And little piglets. Mommy pig and piglets. Mommy pig and piglets. Penguin? On the farm? No. He shouldn't be on the farm. No. He's not from the farm. Donkey? Okay, donkey can go on the farm. Mommy sheep and the baby sheep. Good, fantastic, beautiful. mommy sheep and the baby sheep there on the farm. And the horse saying, "Nay, nay." He can also run on the farm. And the beautiful cow and the calf baby, mommy and baby on the farm. And here also, this is the mouse. The mouse also can live on the farm. Elephant? No, 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 no. He's from the zoo. And we have got chicken. Chicken also can live on the farm. Yes, chicken. Chick, 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 chick. And there is the mommy cat and the baby cat. Beautiful animals. So, we love animals very much. Farm animals are fantastic. Goodbye, goodbye, we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we say goodbye. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.